hope you all safe. This is Abhishek reporting from the Bangalore, and today I'm going to tell you how to clean and maintain your bike chain. Yes guys, most of the people do the wrong thing while doing the looping. So I'm going to tell you what is the wrong and what is the right way to do the cleaning and looping. So let's start it. So guys, let's start now. So this is the arrangements just I have done. Just place it, just bend the bike little bit and just place this table like kind of this thing under the swing arm, so your wheel will rotate freely. Don't need to waste money, and don't forget that you have brain, brother. Make use of it. So this is my bike condition now. It's not much dirty, I don't keep it dirty much. So see, you can see this. I'm doing this to show you guys, like this spray can, and fill a diesel in this. I have taken 30 rupees diesel, and this much is not required. This will be sufficient for 10 to 15 times. You can use this to clean your chain. So just spray all around the chain. Spray it nicely all over the chain. Don't forget any place. And come to here, front sprocket, just spray a little bit on inside. Spray on the stand like this, because these are the areas where oil will fall from the chain. So you should make sure that you have to clean this while cleaning the chain. So I don't need to wash a bike because it's a clean only. Just I'll wash chain and dirty areas. So done. Just leave it for 5 minutes so that oil will come off easily. So mix some shampoo in the water, because we applied diesel to remove the oil, but to remove the diesel we need something. So I'm just putting the water forcefully on the sprocket. And just take a cloth and wash these areas also. Sprocket cover. That's your sprocket. Swing on. The stand area. Come to rear disc and clean it off. Obviously you know the problem which we are facing. Always will be dirty. So wash this off. I know this is not going to stay for longer time, but at least we have to wash. Washing is done now. Yes guys, as I told you, most of the people do the wrong thing, that is they will spray from the outer surface, but you have to spray to the inner surface of the chain, so that when the bike started moving, that oil will flow from X and O-rings, from that it will come off. If you spray from outer area, just it will come off without lubricating anything. If you want to do proper lubrication, you have to spray from inner side, remember that. People don't know how to maintain the tension of the chain, so I'll tell you how to maintain. Just loosen this, after that you have to loosen this, and what you're going to do is same you have to loosen this in that side also, and try to manage this accordingly. How much tension you want, you need to maintain that, and you have to make sure that these things, these horns which you're seeing, this should match with the swing arm horns, okay, and you need to make them match that side also. It should be equal in the either sides, that's it. You don't need to match at all, it should be equal in either sides. After that you have just to tighten it and tighten these things, that's it, done. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you like the video, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and comment in the comment box that what you want me to do in the next video. Thank you for watching.